Well, Damon, things are quiet right now, but change is in the forecast.
That's right. It's looking like a stormy afternoon. Maybe not a bad day to get that comfort food like we
Right.
just saw
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Oh, my goodness. But yes, we have some active weather on the way for later on. It's already warming up a good bit. We're getting that energy built up in the atmosphere. Temperatures have already climbed to the middle and even upper 80s in a few spots. Leesburg, Frederick sitting there at 88 degrees already. So we're going to keep on seeing these temperatures climb as we move ahead. And the other more noticeable thing, too, it was pretty comfortable early this morning, but now those dew points have jumped into the upper 60s and low 70s. That's another ingredient you need for severe thunderstorms. The warmth and energy, the moisture, and then you just need that trigger to get things going. Now, we have not had that so far. Things have continued to stay quiet, but we're seeing a few showers and thunderstorms develop back to the west, back off to our north. That is along a cold front that is ever so slowly going to push our direction. And by this afternoon, things will be a lot more on the active side. So earlier this morning, the Storm Prediction Center upgraded most of the area right along the Interstate 95 corridor through central Maryland and over into the D.C. metro and northern Virginia. That orange right there is a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe storms. We don't see these frequently, but when they do pop up, it is a sign that we have to pay attention to how things develop as we move into the rest of the afternoon. So here is what we are looking at. It's going to continue to stay quiet. We're going to see those clouds become a little bit more prevalent back to the west, but there shouldn't be any storms out there all the way up until about the mid-afternoon. That's when we'll see those storms firing across southern Pennsylvania back into western Maryland. They'll push toward the I-81 corridor and then very quickly head toward the I-95 corridor as we get toward that evening rush hour time frame when a lot of folks are going to be on the roadways. So we have to take a good bit of caution as we move through the rest of the day with a lot of people out and about likely as these storms roll through. They'll continue to linger about as we approach 10 p.m. tonight. We're still looking at the possibility of some of those heavier thunderstorms just south of D.C. And these storms could hit the same areas repetitively as we move into the evening time. So we have to keep a close eye out for heavy rainfall with any of these thunderstorms as well. But look at this. By 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, it is completely cleared out once again, and we are going to be enjoying a much quieter day as we roll throughout our Wednesday. So this is going to be a very quick hitting event, but it's going to likely be impactful. Any storms that do turn severe most likely will have damaging wind gusts as the primary threat. We got hit with a lot of heavy rainfall over this past weekend, and if those storms hit the same areas over and over again tonight, flooding is also going to be a primary concern as we move into the late afternoon and evening time, especially near the D.C. metro, and we cannot completely rule out some hail in those strongest thunderstorms as well. So this is a multi-pronged severe weather threat. It's going to be taking shape from about 4 p.m. up until midnight tonight. So throughout the end of the day here, we just got to continue to stay weather aware and watch out, as today is certainly one of those first warn days for us across the area, highlighted here on the 7-day. But again, after today is all said and done, we're talking about things being a lot quieter through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Temperatures will even be back on the decline as well, dropping back more toward the mid-80s with low humidity. But then as we go into the end of this upcoming weekend, we're talking about renewed chances for showers and storms. Too tough to pinpoint if any of that will be more on the severe side or not here at this point, but scattered showers and storms will be back by next Sunday and Monday. So take it easy out there, folks, and keep an eye for those storms later this afternoon.